As most of you know, this channel has been around for almost a year, and I have posted over 30 editions of my main series Dream Fleet. This series have gotten the attention of companies such as Amtrak, Peter Pan, Trinity Metro, and SEPTA. In some of these videos, I mentioned how some of these manufacturers should add certain buses, locomotives, and rail cars to their product line. Now I've created a series that focuses on the manufacturers instead of their customers. This is Fantasy Coaches. For those of you that follow me on Twitter at Journal Projects, you are probably wondering why I didn't reveal which manufacturer will be highlighted in this premiere. Well, if you didn't read the description, you're about to know right now. The first edition of Fantasy Coaches will be on Prevost. As a Staten Island resident, I'm used to seeing X345 commuter coaches, and I love the design. Along with these buses, Prevost also has the regular X345 and the H345. For the record, I'm not including the VIP entertainer or specialty coaches. Aside from being one of the nicest companies that I follow on Twitter, they make really good buses. Honestly, what I would add to their product line are 35 and 40-foot versions of the H3 and X3 highway coach series. Only because not every tour bus company wants or needs 45-foot coaches. As for the X3 commuter coach series, not only should Prevost also make the X340 commuters, they should also come in hybrid, electric, and compressed natural gas. Prevost and Novabus are under the same parent company. Novabus currently has hybrid, electric, and CNG buses. Just watch the edition of Fantasy Coaches for Novabus. Anyway, I could see Novabus working with Prevost to make commuter coaches with different fuel options, especially since Prevost told me on Twitter that they currently do not have commuter coaches with those three options. Now before I conclude, you're probably wondering why I didn't recommend highway coaches to have different fuel options. Well, as I mentioned in my Dream Fleet for Coach USA, which you are welcome to watch, you don't want to make it overbearing for areas you are providing passenger service to. For example, I know that Greyhound has a lot of X345s in their fleet. It would be a challenge for Greyhound to have CNG coaches because compressed natural gas is not as abundant. Diesel fuel is more readily available for highway coaches than compressed natural gas. For now, CNG buses are better used within a state or region, like some of the cruisers in New Jersey Transit. If compressed natural gas was just as available as diesel fuel, then there would be a better chance for adding CNG highway coaches to the market. What are your thoughts? Please leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to see the latest content.